Hello, good evening, guys. It's me, Samay Sar Jain here. Well, recently it was the Diwali time, and I hope all of you enjoyed a lot and had a great time with your family, with your friends, bursting crackers, spreading joy everywhere. So, just to wish you all in belated Happy Diwali to all of you. So basically, another thing is that in Diwali, it is also the Moksha Kalyan, which means the Enlightenment Day of Lord Mahavir of Jainism. So I would like to wish all the Jains a very happy Diwali and a great Mahavir Moksha Kalyan. And what else to say? This year is coming to an end, and everyone are excited for 2022. But however, one thing is sure that nobody is ever going to forget 2020 and 2021. These 2 years were the years of this pandemic, and hopefully from 2022 onwards, everything will be normal completely, and no more diseases, no more pandemics. And I wish all of you a very great year of 2022 and all the years in the future. So, the main reason why I wanted to make this video today is that I just wanted to casually make this and ask all of you, like whenever we apply for a job for corporate companies and the corporate world, normally, I mean to say that we easily get a lot of genuine ones, and we can go for job interviews, and we can go for, we can attend the job interviews and accomplish them and, get selected for the job. But my question is, when it comes to the entertainment industry such as modeling or acting or be it whatever, like bodybuilding or whatever, most of them happen to be fake agencies except for a few. I mean, like, of course, like even I saw last time a YouTube, one YouTuber was saying that he's a model, and he is a model, by the way, and he was mentioning that in Delhi, 90% of the modeling agencies are fake, and only the remaining 5 to 10% of them are genuine modeling agencies. So my question to all of you is that why can't the modeling agencies or auditions for movies and TV serials, etc., be be like be easy to get. I mean, be easy to get the genuine ones. For example, if you want to apply for a job, let's say like any job, be it engineering, HR, teacher, whatever, you can just like walk around with your you can just walk around the city with your CV, and you can straight away apply to many companies. But why, when it comes to these entertainment industries, it is very difficult to find the genuine ones, and it is very easy to come across a fake one. It is very easy to come across a fake modeling agency or a fake, acting auditions productions house. So I'd like to ask all of you that if all of you know, please let me know in the comments below where, when, and how is it possible for us to easily find genuine modeling agencies, acting production houses, and all the entertainment industry, all the entertainment industry's activities. If we want to take part in that, where can we genuinely find acting production houses and modeling agencies? And this I'm not asking just for myself, I'm asking for all those aspiring actors and aspiring models who want to become models, who want to become actors. They should find it easy to get a genuine production house or a genuine modeling agency. So, my question to all of you is that please let me know in the comments below, or just however, try to give a response to me by making your video, and let me know, especially in major cities like Chennai, Mumbai, Bangalore, Delhi, etc. How and which area, how to approach, and which area is there where we can just walk and find lot of genuine production houses and modeling agencies. Because most of them, like I have observed, whenever like I've been to these production houses, either they say okay, you're selected for the movie, and then they start asking agreement fee, they start asking registration fees and all this. And some production houses, before we even give the auditions, they collect registration fees from us. So this has been happening a lot, and it's high time we stand against these kind of fraud agencies. We should only be able to contact genuine agencies, whether we walk in the city and directly want to approach a production house or a modeling agency, or via online. Because even like when I researched on Google regarding many modeling agencies and acting production houses, many of them, in fact most of them, they have got their phone numbers given, and they have got their locations, etc., all given. But when we approach them, they always happen to ask for fees. And sometimes they say that okay fine, either you pay before the movie or after the movie, we'll be collecting some amount of cash from you, etc. So this shouldn't be happening to us. And in fact I would say our next year's, which means our 2022's resolution, 2022 onwards, our resolution should be, we should eradicate all these fake agencies so that only the genuine ones are left in the country. I wish this happens in the entire world, but only genuine production houses and genuine modeling agencies should remain in our country. There should be no more fake production houses and fake modeling agencies. So my only question to all of you is that uh, those of you who are quite well versed about where and when to go for auditions, and where actually all these genuine works takes place, please let me know in the comments. Please let me know in the comment box below, and let me know your thoughts on this video. And I hope all of us can live the life we want to and succeed at whatever we love to do. So remember one thing, guys: if you want to succeed in life, do what you love, do what entertains you the most, do what gives you joy and happiness. And by doing that, you will truly succeed. And when you do that, you don't need to chase money, money will chase you. So guys, please do what you love and do the profession of your choice. But yes, do only those professions which are legal. Please do not do anything that is illegal. Respect the law of the land, respect the constitution, respect the rules and regulations of the country you're staying in, or whichever country you go to. But please, in terms of legal professions, please choose any of the legal professions which you love to do. And when you do that, you will enjoy doing it. And because you enjoy doing the work that you love, you won't feel it is hard work, or you won't even feel it is work. You will feel it is your hobby. So please give your best at what you love, and don't waste your time on things that you don't like to do. So once again, I wish you all of you a happy belated Diwali. And even soon, next month Christmas is coming up, so wish you all Merry Christmas in advance. And I would also like to say, let's have a wonderful, exciting, cheerful, joyful, and an overall fantastic 2022 starting from next year. So guys, this was my video today. and I'll see you all again in my next video. And I'll be making these videos about my life, about any random topics, and that's it as of now. So hope to see you all soon again, and I will see you all again, don't worry. So enjoy guys, relax, take care, be safe, keep washing your hands, keep your hands sanitized, wear masks when you go outside, and end of the day, stay safe, be safe, and be happy. Thank you.